I didn't see you there. My name is Dr. Elizabeth Shranka Dovey Tank Blue Hishu Neshadi Hivmaki Karati Unsiptu Na Sisi Klum Kashi Matisha. And I'm here to tell you about the Merapi, Indonesia volcano. Merapi, Indonesia is a very interesting and exciting place to visit. It has many intriguing characteristics. Merapi, Indonesia is a steep composite volcano north of central Java's capital, Yogyakarta. It is Indonesia's most active volcano. The eruption violence is very high, spewing out lava and ash. From a distance, it is still a sight to see. No. Eruptions occur at intervals of 1 to 5 years and are of low gas pressure since magma is pouring gas. It has been active for 10,000 years. And did you know Merapi means mountain of fire? You should know some of the different types of volcanoes. One is a composite volcano. The Merapi, Indonesia looks like this. A composite volcano looks similar to an ash volcano, but a composite volcano has branch pipes, and an ash volcano is steeper. In conclusion, there are many interesting things you can learn about volcanoes.
I raise my feet, I miss the beat, throw my seat, don't care, get off my back. I make a sound, I wash down, round, so round, get off, don't touch my stack. I stare outside, just hit me high, cause I'm about to crack. 1, 2, 3, turn around, don't you watch me now, just turn around.